This tutorial is intended to show patrons of the Marriott Library how to use the Microfilm scanners and their corresponding software. This machine will allow you to read, scan, and save an image of your microform. It's located on level 2 in the south end of the Knowledge Commons. There are 3 types of microform: microfilm, microfiche, and micro-opaque. This tutorial will show you how to read microfilm. First, pull the handle to lift the glass. Attach the microfilm reel to the left spindle and push until you feel it click. Make sure the film is in the over position and slides underneath the plastic rollers and glass. Pull it up from underneath the right plastic roller and insert the end into the slot on the right spindle. Next, we'll open the ViewScan Premium software located on the desktop. Click anywhere to begin. Here, it gives us 3 options. Always choose Advanced mode as it gives you much more control over the microfilm. So here the camera is looking at the very beginning of the microfilm roll, which is black. So we can fast forward the roll via the computer program with this button, red for fast, gray for slow, and we can do the same thing on the actual microform scanner. Okay, so let's stop here. Here's a good page. From here we need to make some adjustments. The microfilm is only showing up on half our screen, so let's pull it down with our little handle on the scanner until we can see the whole image. Now let's make it a little bigger. We're going to use the zoom in button under camera position, which is going to make our image larger but really fuzzy. And that's okay, we can use the focus in and focus out under camera focus to focus it a bit. You may have to play around to get a clear image. Also, our image is upside down, so we can use the flip vertical button to correct it. And if it were backwards, we could use this mirror image button. Alright, so this image looks pretty straight, but let's use the straightening tool to make it perfect. With this tool, you want to draw a line parallel to the edge of an image. The program will correct the image so it appears straight on your computer. Also, keep in mind you can inverse the colors if your microfilm is white text on black with the positive-negative tool at the top. Alright, so this looks like a pretty good page. So since we did so much work zooming in and out and focusing, and it looks sharp and clear, we don't want to use the camera position zoom again. Instead, if we want to zoom in, we can use the digital zoom, which will magnify the image without distorting it. Then, the last adjustment I want to make, since our image is pretty dark, is to adjust the image settings a bit. So I didn't use it in this video, but first try clicking the Auto Adjust tool, which will correct the brightness and contrast quite a bit. And if it's still not looking great, you can go to Image Settings and manually adjust the brightness and contrast to make the microfilm a little more readable. And I think that looks pretty good. Now, to capture your image, click Capture Full Frame in the bottom left corner, which will capture everything the camera is looking at, so even everything on your screen before you use the digital zoom. And that will save an image to this bar at the bottom of the software. But say you just want one story from the paper or an image and not the full page. You can go up to the top and click on the Cropping tab and draw a rectangle around the image you'd like to save. Then click Captured Crop Area at the bottom of the software to save that image. After capturing your images, you can print them using the Instant Print button, save them to a USB with the Save to USB button, or save them to your computer if you go under the File tab. To respool the microfilm, first pull on the handle of the microfilm scanner to lift the glass. You can then click Auto Rewind, which is the button with 3 arrows near the bottom of your computer screen, or hold the red Rewind button on the scanner. Lastly, to shut off the scanner bulb and close the program, click the File tab at the top of your screen and then the Exit button. For tutorials on how to view microfiche and micro-opaque on the microform scanners, see the additional videos.